Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Asian Goomba here, and today I have finally put up a Yu-Gi-Oh background just like Asian Eyes White Dragon, and also I've finally been getting around to getting you guys some openings and Magic the Gathering stuff. So here I have the Booster Battle Pack from Gatecrash, which was released in February, and I'm going to open it for you. So, yeah. So, take a look at the art in the front. And then on the back it says, there will be two 22-card semi-randomized decks, two 15-card Gatecrash booster packs, the Magic Learn to Play guide, and the rules insert. Those last two are kind of stupid, but yeah, here, I'll start opening it. Okay. Okay, here are the decks, and each one, there is one booster, so, yeah. Okay, so we'll go with this one, since it's already open. We'll save these booster packs for later. Okay, first off is Shielded Passage. There's a Swamp, there's a Syndic of Tights, awesome, that's what I need, one card. Another Swamp, a Gutter Skulk. Another Swamp, Kingpin's Pet, Plains, Dutiful Throw. Oh yes, an Orja Fieldgate, finally, yes, I needed that card. Angelic Addict, Beckon, Apparition. Another Plains, Syndicate Enforcer, Swamp, a Gift of Orjava. It's an awesome card. Really mean against other people. Yeah, I need another card. Swamp, Plains, Contaminated Ground, another Plains, and a Smog Elemental. So, pretty good overall so far. Okay, next deck. Okay. Metropolis Sprite, Call of the Nightwing, a Swamp, an Island, a Horror of the Dim, another Swamp, a Death Cult Rogue. Ooh, I need that card. Pretty cool. Swamp, Hands of Binding, I think. Death's Approach, another Island, Shadow Slice, yes. Mortis Strider, a Gridlock. Yes, a Demir Giglia. Yes, I need that card. I needed that card so much. Another Shadow Alley Denizen. Another more lands. And Sky Games, which is pretty cool. So, those are the decks, or the partial decks. And I got two boosters here. So, let's go with this, Viscopa Guild Mage. Spire Tracer, Syndic of Tights. Yes, yes, I need one more, but yeah, got two Syndic of Tights. Drake Wing Crisis, Martial Glory, Totally Lost, Boros Guildgate. Yes, yes, yes. These are all good cards. Assault Griffin, Adaptive Snapjaw, Skin Brand Goblin, another Gift of Orjava. Yes! Yes, oh my god, that's really good. Alpha Authority, Drool Charm. Yes! Oh my god. Oh my god. I just pulled a Mythic Rare. Yes! Oh, there, you can see it. It's, Borbrigmos Enraged. Yes! Oh my god, this is a really good pack. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's a foil Assault Griffin. Awesome. Looks cool. The Forest and the other card. So, really good. This is so good, man. Yeah, Mythic Rare. This is my first Mythic Rare. Okay, last pack, or second pack, doesn't matter, same thing. we have a Contaminated Ground, a Greenside Watcher, Way of the Thief, Tin Street Market, Mugging, another Kingpin's Pet, Act of Treason, Balustrade Spy, Shielded Passage, Riot Gear, Nimbus Swimmer, ooh, another Sapphire Drake, yes, a Sapphire Drake, Smog Elemental, and for a rare, it's a Diluvian Primordial, Primordial, pretty cool. Okay, and Plains and an Ooze. Looks pretty cool. Okay. So yeah, that's the pack. Once again, cards I really needed. Another Orzhov Gilgate, Dutiful Thrall, Syndic of Tithes, Gift of Orzhava. I think in this deck, the Dimir Guildgate, that would be really useful. That's about it. That's for the decks. And then, yeah, the Mythic Rare was awesome. You can see it's a Mythic Rare. And, yeah, the rare. The foil card looks awesome. So, yeah. I will try to get you guys another Yu-Gi-Oh! Or Magic, another Magic opening, soon enough. But, yeah, stay tuned. I'll be able to get you more Yu-Gi-Oh! Magic and videos, and remember to subscribe to your Asian Goomba.